Hi there, my name is Toon Peters with Xpert 3D Metrology. We represent Zeiss and Alicona in Canada. The reason why MMTS is so important for us is it's really the center of the industry in this area of the country and the biggest event around here. And this is really a meeting place for all manufacturers to come and gather information, to meet each other, to see what's new in the industry. And yeah, we need to be part of that. That's important. So our technology is basically high precision 3D scanning. With the equipment of Zeiss and Alicona, we can really generate a high precision digital twin of your parts, mostly used for quality control of your parts. So you can actually see how well that you manufacture it. Or it can also be used for reverse engineering purposes. In a manual fashion or automated for the production line. Basically, MMTS is the only and a huge event here in Quebec region where everybody from the industry gathers together once every 2 years. It's probably the most important event for all of us.